Today I will review the Nikon Eclipse LV150, the microscope. You can see here, this is my specimen, and how you can start it. It's already started. So there is a power button here, and this light is coming from the camera, so this light can be on from this switch. Now it's off, and if you on it like that, then you can increase the intensity of the light. Okay, so basically here are 5 cameras. First camera has 5x magnification. This is 10, and if you just rotate it when it's in the perfect position, it will sound a click. 20, 50, and 100. So I will find out I will check actually the surface of the fibers or the fiber characteristics, and you can also use the glass slide, but in my case I'm just using the fiber here. Now how to start it. There is a software called Microscope, so we will select that. Isolation light. Now we'll go to this camera, double click it, then go for live. Here you cannot see the screen, so you have to unlock this part. Now you can see the fiber here, and this is the knob. If you rotate the upper knob, it will go up and down, and if you twist this lower knob, then it will go linear. You can see here it is going linear way, and this knob is for going to the z-axis, and if you rotate it, then you can zoom it or you can focus it basically. So here I will use the 20 magnification. If I rotate this knob, then we can focus it like that. And now how can I save the picture? Just go to the file, go to the capture option, and save the TIF file or JPG BMP that you want, and just save it. Okay, thank you.